Hi everybody, this is Guru Francis, Big Boy ESKRIMADOR, and I am so excited for the upcoming Big Boys ESKRIMADOR Method to His Madness seminar. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Guru Francis, Big Boy ESKRIMADOR, ready to see everybody in the upcoming Big Boys Method to His Madness seminar coming in September 25th. First of all, I want to say thank you to our two sponsors, Mando Core. They are the ones that makes our lightsabers. They're, and to me, the most durable, just the best lightsabers out there. And if you're looking for high quality trainers, swords, knives, even Eskrima sticks, visit tackknife.com. They're wonderful, they're great guys, and they have wonderful quality products. So thank you for sponsoring Big Boys ESKRIMADOR Method to His Madness. So let's continue. So one of the things that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is, and we're just going to do a quick preview of this, is the 4 quadrant Sombrada, right? So in the videos that we're going to be showing here, you're going to see that the 4 quadrant, the Sombrada, is about a strike, block, counter, and strike kind of movement. Now we've only focused on above the waist right for now because we wanted you guys to see the details of the hand, the checking hand as well as the stick hand. So I have my student Jeremy. He's going to help me out again. Okay. So in this particular case, when he strikes, you block with a supportive block here, and then I'm going to strike low to his abdomen. So it's a strike, counter strike. He's going to strike here, and I'm going to strike to his abdomen. Okay. Now you notice he's trying to hold my hand because he's in love with me, but he's going to keep his hand open for now. Keep your hand open for now. Okay. Now I'm going to strike low, and his hand is going to be open. So when he strikes, I'm supporting it here and striking low this way. Then the next strike would be to his left ear, and then he's going to strike me to the abdomen, and you notice my left hand is open as well. So when he strikes again to my left ear, boom, 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 boom. And then now we're going to continue going, right? And what does that look like? There we go. Now we're going to go switch it to the other side, just so you can see it from the different angle. Okay, go ahead. Okay, what you guys are noticing was that. Now, there you go. Thank you, Jeremy. So that's one of the things I'm going to be showcasing at the upcoming Big Boys ESKRIMADOR Method to His Madness. And how does that pertain into all the other curriculum stuff I'm going to be showing you guys. But in order for you to do that, go to this website and sign up for the seminar now. There's only limited spots only. There's only 30 spots that are available. So sign up today. And if you sign up for the early bird, you're also going to get a t-shirt as well. And you can have, we're not going to make this mandatory for you to purchase our sticks, but if you don't have any sticks, you can also purchase those online. And that's only available during early bird as well. So if you decide to wait till Angry Bird price, you'll have to provide your own sticks, and you won't get a t-shirt. So register now at the early bird price. That's the best value overall. Until then, my name is Guru Francis, Big Boy ESKRIMADOR, and I can't wait to see y'all in Olympia, Washington.